Have you ever felt that sudden panic when you realize you're completely locked out of your Facebook Lite account because you forgot your password? It is a frustrating experience that millions of users face every single day, especially when they need to log in on a new device. But do not worry, because today I am going to show you the absolute easiest and most updated method to recover and change your forgotten Facebook Lite password in less than 3 minutes. We will be using the brand new 2026 Meta interface, ensuring this tutorial works perfectly on your phone right now. Before we jump into the technical steps, I want to emphasize that this method is designed specifically for beginners who find the standard Facebook app a bit too heavy or complicated. Facebook Lite is fast, efficient, and perfect for low-end devices, and its security settings are now more streamlined than ever. By the end of this video, you will not only have a new password, but also a much more secure account that is protected from unauthorized access. So, grab your smartphone, make sure you have a stable internet connection, and let's get your digital life back on track immediately. Alright, let's dive into the action with a real screen recording to guide you through the initial setup. First, locate the Facebook Lite application on your mobile home screen and tap to open it. Once you are in, look at the top right corner for those 3 horizontal lines, which is our main menu icon, and give it a quick tap. From here, you need to scroll down until you see the Settings and Privacy option. Click on that, and then immediately tap on the Settings button that appears right underneath it to enter the core configuration area. Now pay close attention here because this is where the new interface differs from the old versions. At the very top of your settings screen, you will see a prominent box labeled Accounts Center. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside this hub, navigate down to the Password and Security section and select it. Here is a secret tip. Meta has consolidated everything here so you can manage multiple profiles at once. Next, tap on Change Password under the Login and Recovery section, and then select the specific Facebook profile you want to update to proceed to the next critical phase. We are now at the most important part of the recovery process, but before we move further, I have a quick request for you. If you are finding this tutorial helpful and want to stay updated with more tech tips that save you time, please take a second to hit that subscribe button on our phone transformer channel. We work hard to create clear guides for everyone, and your support means the world to us. Also, hitting the bell icon ensures you will be the first to know when we release a new life-saving tech hack like this one. Returning to our screen, since we do not know our current password, ignore the top boxes and tap on the Forgot Password link at the bottom. Facebook will now show you several ways to receive a verification code, such as your registered email, mobile number, or even WhatsApp. Choose the one you have access to right now and click Continue. This step is vital because without this code, you cannot prove your ownership. Watch your notifications closely for a 6-digit number that should arrive in just a few seconds. Once it does, type it accurately into the input field and hit Continue. Congratulations, you have cleared the hardest hurdle, and now it is time to set your brand new credentials. In the Enter a New Password box, type a strong and unique password that you have never used before. Make sure to include letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Most importantly, look for the checkbox that says Log me out of Facebook everywhere else, and ensure it is selected before you tap the Next button. This ensures that even if someone else had access to your account, they will be instantly kicked out from their device, leaving you as the sole controller. And just like that, you have successfully recovered your Facebook Lite account and updated your password using the latest 2026 method. It really is that simple when you follow the right steps, and I hope this video took away all the stress of being locked out. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please give it a massive thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be struggling with their social media accounts. Thank you so much for watching Phone Transformer today. Stay safe, keep your passwords secure, and I will see you in our next helpful tutorial video. Goodbye.